QuickBooks versus Tally, choosing the right accounting software can transform your business finances without confusion or wasted time. QuickBooks offers cloud-based ease, while Tally focuses on powerful desktop accounting. QuickBooks and Tally are two leading accounting solutions designed to manage business finances efficiently. The core difference lies in QuickBooks being primarily cloud-based with user-friendly automation, while Tally is a desktop-based system known for robust inventory and compliance features. QuickBooks is a cloud-based accounting software developed by Intuit designed to simplify bookkeeping for small to medium-sized businesses. It operates through an online platform accessible from any device, offering real-time financial data, automated invoicing, and seamless bank integrations. QuickBooks excels in user experience, providing intuitive dashboards and customizable reports. Its strengths include scalability, ease of use, and extensive third-party app integrations. However, reliance on internet connectivity and subscription-based pricing may pose limitations for some users. QuickBooks is ideal for businesses seeking flexible access to their accounts, streamlined payroll, and automated tax calculations without needing in-depth accounting expertise. Its cloud nature supports collaboration between accountants and business owners, making it suitable for growing companies looking for a modern, accessible solution. According to Intuit's official site, QuickBooks continuously updates features to enhance automation and compliance, supporting a broad range of industries. Tally is a desktop-based accounting software widely used for comprehensive financial management, especially in India and similar markets. It offers powerful features for accounting, inventory management, taxation, and compliance, including GST and statutory reporting. Tally operates offline, which ensures data security and fast processing without internet dependency. Its strengths lie in handling complex accounting tasks, multi-currency support, and detailed audit trails. However, it has a steeper learning curve and less flexibility in remote access compared to cloud solutions. Tally is best suited for businesses that require detailed inventory control, compliance with regional tax laws, and prefer a one-time purchase model over subscriptions. It is favored by accountants and enterprises with traditional accounting needs and those who prioritize data privacy. As detailed on Tally Solutions' official website, it remains a trusted choice for businesses needing robust, localized accounting capabilities. QuickBooks and Tally serve different business needs with distinct advantages. QuickBooks offers cloud accessibility, making it perfect for businesses with remote teams and those valuing automation and ease of use. It streamlines payroll and tax filing, but depends on internet access and ongoing subscription costs. Tally, on the other hand, excels in handling detailed inventory and compliance requirements offline, ideal for businesses operating in tax-heavy environments or regions like India. Its one-time purchase appeals to those avoiding recurring fees, but limits mobility and requires more accounting knowledge. For example, a startup with remote employees might benefit more from QuickBooks' cloud features, while a manufacturing firm with complex inventory might prefer Tally's depth. The trade-off is between flexibility and detailed control, making your choice dependent on your business model and operational preferences. Choose QuickBooks if you need cloud-based flexibility, automated workflows, and easy collaboration for growing businesses focused on accessibility and modern accounting features. Opt for Tally if your business demands robust offline accounting, detailed inventory management, and compliance with regional tax laws. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize cloud convenience or traditional comprehensive control. Make the choice that suits your business needs best.